5 key elements of every successful audition. If you have an audition coming up, congratulations! This should be a moment of celebration. However, there is likely so much running through your mind preparing yourself to give a successful audition that it can make it difficult to see it as such. What monologue should you use? How should you dress? What can you do to stand out from the competition in a good way? These are all common questions we ask ourselves. So in order to successfully prepare you, here are some tips that can make your next audition memorable. Here's the first tip for having a successful audition. One of the first things you can do to ease some of your anxiety is to study up on how famous actors made it big. Knowing what steps they took to have a successful audition time and again to get them where they are today can help you follow suit. What monologue did they use? What proved to be so on point with their performances that they nailed it? Reading and watching videos about what these actors felt they did to get to where they are today can help you better understand and hone the craft. Here is the second tip for having a successful audition. Similar to studying up on they did well during auditions, you can scour the web for info about what didn't work for the A-listers. You'll likely find a few interviews in which your favorite actor or actress starts to spill about their audition blunders. When you know what a successful audition doesn't look like, you can avoid making the same mistakes. Here is the third tip for having a successful audition. You know the saying, practice makes perfect. Auditions are a great place to work on your skill set, and the more auditions you attend, the more experience you'll gain. Even if you don't feel 100% prepared the first time around, you're likely to have a successful audition after getting to know the ropes. Be patient with yourself and remind yourself that you are human, and humans make mistakes. Even if you do trip up or mess up a line, it doesn't always mean the CD will automatically dismiss your performance. If you're a good fit for the role, trust that you'll get a callback. Here's the fourth tip for having a successful audition. Other ways in which you can ensure you'll have a successful audition would be to attend workshops, classes, and improv sessions. These forums will guide you in vivo through exercises that will help your performance when it truly matters. Attending these will give you the opportunity to make mistakes and learn with less pressure before auditioning in front of a CD. Here is the fifth tip for having a successful audition. Of course, to have a successful audition, you'll have to stay motivated. This means even when you get a no or many no's, being rejected is just par for the course when it comes to building your resume. It's important to persevere and stay determined despite rejection. It only takes one awesome audition to add a line to your resume. Take a deep breath, walk into the room as if you've never heard no before, and make sure you're giving each audition all you have. Preparing to have a successful audition can be stressful. Be kind to yourself and give yourself plenty of prep time before you head into the audition room. Even if you hear no, thank the CD and move on. The more auditions you attend, the more likely you are to land the role of your dreams. The more you practice and persevere, you'll find that it really does pay off. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.